Who compiled the first English dictionary, that is by Robert Cowdery? Which is the highest civil award of Pakistan, that is Nishan-e-Pakistan. UNO Day is observed on 24th October. Ex officio its mean in virtue of one's office. Entomology deals with insects. Which one of the following fastest type of memory of the computer, that is catchy memory? The second important step of Hajj after Wukuf is Tawaf. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah was signed in 6 Hijri. Which prophet has been called as Zunnun in the Holy Quran, that is Hazrat Yunus alayhi salatu wasalam. Which year is called as the year of sorrow, is 10th Nabwi. How many manzils are there in Quran? 7 manzils. Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said prayer first time behind Hazrat Jibreel Amin alayhi salatu wasalam. Who was the first key holder of Kaaba among Quraysh is Qusay. Who made the most authentic translation of Quran in English? The person named Abdullah Yusuf Ali. The holy book Gospel is related to Anjil. The chemical name of laughing gas is nitrous oxide. What type of infection is tuberculosis, that is bacterial infection? Who discovered X-rays? The person named William Conrad Roentgen. Where is the headquarters of Interpol? That is in Lyon. The headquarters of ASEAN is in Jakarta. Asian Development Bank is located in Manila. The belt of low atmospheric pressure on either side of equator are called doldrums. Who was the first defense minister of Pakistan? Nawab Liaquat Ali Khan. Who is author to impose reasonable restriction on fundamental rights, that is president? 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. Nobel Prize of Literature in 1907 was given to Rudyard Kipling. Name the helicopter that is used in Abbottabad incident, that is Black Hawk. Third largest religion in the world is Hinduism. Newly born country of the world is South Sudan. Which is the capital of Libya, that is Tripoli. Ryan Davis pleaded for diplomat. Which country is without constitution, that is Israel. Gas bills are made by using units of BTU. Most appropriate meaning of assimilate is absorb. Which of the following animals can hear ultrasonic sounds, that is bat? What is the meaning of indict? To put down in writing. Oasis is associated with desert. Blood sugar is measured in milligram deciliter. Blood pressure is measured in mmHg. Which of the following is the smallest ocean of the world, that is Arctic Ocean? The rising of evening star indicates the west. Where Sichuan Glacier is located, that is in Baltistan. Which of the following country is called land of milk and honey, that is Lebanon? 1 degree of longitude on the equator is equal to the distance of 112 km. Wind blowing in the spiral form around a region of low atmospheric pressure is a cyclone. Which of the following female mosquito is the cause of dengue fever, that is Aedes aegypti? Name the writer of series Harry Potter is J.K. Rowling. Pakistan lies of the tropic zone of Cancer. Fill in the blanks. He is jealous of my fame. She is repenting for her past. My brother is good at mathematics. Do in Rome as Romans do. You cannot go because it is raining heavily. I was reading a novel when they came to see me. The book was published 2 years ago. He will go to Karachi tomorrow morning. We had our dinner when it started raining last night. Currency of Syria is pound. Thar is the desert of subtropical. Naples is a seaport of Italy. The capital of Sweden is Stockholm. BSS is the news agency of Bangladesh. The name of Norway's parliament is Stortinget. Kuril Island are situated between Russia and Japan. Durand Agreement was concluded between British India and Afghan Amir Abdul Rahman Khan. Which city is called Gateway of Pakistan, that is Karachi? Jallianwala Bagh took place in Amritsar. Who among the following were popularly known as red shirts, that is Khudai Khidmatgar? Gandhi-Irwan Pact was signed in London in 1931. Mufla Rebellion of 1992 took place in Kerala. In Bengal, the headquarters of East India Company were located at Fort St. George. The state of Jammu and Kashmir was ruled by Gulab Singh. What is the cause of dengue fever? That is virus. Pakistan became member of ILO in 14 October 1947. 1st May is observed all over the world as a Labor Day in honor of working people of Chicago. Jinnah of Pakistan was written by Stanley Walpert. Islamabad was chosen as capital in the year 1959. Allama Iqbal delivered his famous address at Allahabad in 1930. Rachna Doab is located between two rivers, the Ravi and Chenab. Water makes up to 92% of our blood. Baku is the seaport on Caspian Sea. Following is the largest country of South America, that is Brazil. Population is expected to reach by the year 2025 is 8 billion. Of the following is the greatest wool producer country in the world is Australia. Mirage is an example of refraction of light. Saint Sheikh Bahauddin Zikriya established a Khanqah in the city of Multan. British Parliament is bicameral. The term butterfly stroke is associated with swimming. Second Battle of Panipat was fought during the reign of Akbar. A stretch of land surrounding by water on all sides is known as Iceland. Which animal is unable to seek out its tongue? That is crocodile. What is the old name of Oslo, the capital of Norway, is Christiania. The term that best describes the shape of the earth, that is sphere. Second Summit Conference of OIC held in Lahore in 1974. Anti-Corruption Department is a part of SMGAD. Mount Hira is in Makkah. मशहूर शायर बहादुर शाह जफर कहाँ दफन है? रंगून में. मुसद्दस मद्दो जज़र इस्लाम किसकी तहलीक है? हाली की. गालिब ने अपनी ज़िंदगी का ज़्यादा हिस्सा किस शहर में गुजारा? दिल्ली में. फैज़ अहमद फैज़ सियालकोट में पैदा हुए. यादगार गालिब किस शायर की तहलीक है? अल्ताफ़ हुसैन हाली की. जावेद नामा किस शायर की तहलीक है? अल्लामा इकबाल. हुज्जत तमाम करना का मतलब है एतराज़ की गुंजाइश ना करना. कुली खाना का क्या मतलब है? भेद जाहिर होना. डूबते को तिनके का सहारा कवायद की रूह से ज़रबुल मिसल है. असगरी और अकबरी किस नावल के दो मशहूर किरदार हैं? मीरातुल अरूस. ज़ीनतुल कुरान सूरह रहमान को कहते हैं. मिसाक़े मदीना दुनिया का पहला तहरीरी दस्तूर है. मक्का 628 ईस्वी में फतह हुआ. किबला 2 हिजरी में तब्दील हुआ. Who was given the title of Ghasilul Malaika? That is Hazrat Hanzala Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. What is the total number of surah? Is 114. The first month of Islamic calendar is Muharram. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam called himself Hajjatul Wida. Meaning of Hujjat tamam karna is Dalil baki na chhodna. What was the Arfa Kareem age at the time of his death? Is 16 years. Where does business train go to and from Lahore to Karachi? What is the name of Oscar-winning documentary of Sharmeen Obaid, that is Saving Face? What drug was reported to the cause of death in the Punjab Institute of Cardiology, that is Isotab? What is the cause of Mehran Bank scandal, that is illegal fund to politicians? Which English cricketer was jailed for spot fixing, that is Marion Westfield? Where were Academy Award 2012 held, that is in Los Angeles? Christian Wolff, who resigned as head of state, belonged to which country? He belonged to Germany. Who is the Secretary of State of United States? Is John Kerry. The total number of amendments in 1973 Constitution is 23. The largest seaport of Pakistan is the port of Karachi. Arfa Kareem Software Park located at Lahore. Where is the Benazir Shaheed International Airport, that is in Islamabad? On which river has Mangla Dam been built? That built in Jhelum. Who advocated the theory of laissez-faire, that is by Adam Smith? What does light year measure, that is by distance between stars? What happened to the temperature of boiling water on the highest elevation? Is decreasing. Which disease is caused by dogs, that is rabies? The government of Pakistan constituted a committee under the chairmanship of Sardar Abdul Rab Nashtar for selecting national anthem in December 1948. Who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan when martial law was imposed in 1958? The person named Feroz Khan Noon. 1 unit bill was passed in the year of 19 1955. Tashkent Declaration with Pakistan was signed by Indian Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. The Pakistan resolution was translated in Urdu by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. The chairman of Council of Common Interest is the Prime Minister. Doba Rachna is located between the river Chenab and river Ravi. RCD, the Regional Cooperation for Development, was re-established with the new name of ECO. Which of the following is not a member of Economic Cooperation Organization, the ECO, that is Chechnya? The form of FIR contain 3 columns. An accomplice means any person who is a guilty associate or a partner in crime. Under the section 141 of PPC, an unlawful assembly is an assembly consisting of at least 5 persons. Which Muslim woman participated in all the 3 roundtable conferences? Begum Shah Nawaz. Which woman was part of the delegation first sent to UNO after the creation of Pakistan? The woman named Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. Who was the ruler of Kashmir at the time of partition? Hari Singh. In 1946, the mission sent by British government was called the Kabina Mission. Where Fort Monroe is located, that is in Dera Ghazi Khan. When Quetta was devastated by severe earthquake, that is 31st May 1935. Pansi Harbour is situated in Balochistan. Pakistan Council of Scientific and Industrial Research was established in 1953. The most important and famous Urdu newspaper published from Lahore by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, that is the Zamindar. ISSB stands for Inter-Services Selection Board. Which army officer was the first recipient of Nishan-e-Haider? Captain Sarwar Shaheed. Who resigned from the Imperial Legislative Council in sheet protest against the Revolt Act? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Who was appointed the first secretary of All India Khilafat Committee? Maulana Shaukat Ali. Hazrat Sheikh Ali bin Usman al-Hajweri Data Ganj Bakhsh came to India during the time of Ghaznavi. World Population Day is celebrated on 11th July. Greenwich mean time passes through Mali. Who is the founder of modern Republic of Turkey? That is Mustafa Kemal Ataturk. What was the name of Libyan king deposed by Colonel Gaddafi in 1969? That is King Idris. The Richter scale is used to measure earthquake. ISO stands for International Standards Organization. The chronometer used to measure time. Decibel is a unit used for intensity of sound. The element required for solar energy conversion, that is silicon. According to Treaty of Hudaybiyah, a truce or a peace was declared between Muslims and Quraysh for 10 years. Which was the tribe of Hazrat Abu Bakr, that is Banu Tamim, when Hajj was made obligatory in 9th Hijri. In the Surah of Holy Quran, the word Khatimun Nabiyyin is mentioned, that is Surah Ahzab. How many times the word Zakat occur in Holy Quran? That is 32 times. उर्दू में नज़म का बानी किसे कहा जाता है? नज़ीर अकबर आबादी को. के पास के फूल इस किताब के मुसन्निफ का नाम है अहमद नदीम कासमी. उल्टी हो गई सब तदबीरें, कुछ ना दो आने काम आए. ये किसका शेर है? मीर तकी मीर का. फी जालंधरी के शाहनामा की कितनी जिल्दें हैं? 4. रफ्तगान किस शायर की नज़म है? मजीद अमजद की. मुसद्दस में हाली ने मुसलमानों की किस नज़म का जिक्र किया? माजी. हार्ट अटैक किसकी नज़म है? फैज़ अहमद फैज़ की. अनारकली ड्रामा किसकी तसनीफ है? सैयद इम्तियाज़ अली ताज की. नेक्स्ट वन, वाई Muslim observed the day of deliverance. This is due to the end of Congress ministries. The gas used in electric bulb is nitrogen. Belgium is known as the cockpit of Europe. Buddhist Emperor Ashoka belonged to which dynasty? He belonged to Mauryan. In which constitution Islam was declared as the religion of state? The Constitution of 1973. Which peninsula lies between the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov, that is Crimean. Which is the longest river in the world, that is Nile. What do you understand by en route, that is on the way? Who is said to be the father of modern Olympics, that is Pierre de Coubertin. Alberoni discovered the radius of the earth, which was 6,338 kilometers. Which of the following term is used for the murder of king, that is regicide? Who among the following is regarded as the forerunner of revenue administration in the medieval India, that is Sher Shah? Which country is called the land of lilies, that is Canada? Sayyid Amir Ali established Muslim League in London in 1908. Bolshevik revolution is associated with Russia. Helvetia is the old name of Switzerland. SAARC was formed in Dhaka on 8 December 1985. After independence, the first radio station was established at Karachi. Red Cross was founded by J.H. Durrant. Which Turkish tribe created Ottoman Empire, that is Anatolia? Who led the Shimla deputation, that is by Sir Aga Khan? Which country has won the first Cricket World Cup? By West Indies. Alexander the Great was the king of Macedonia. Sigmund Freud is the psychiatrist who belonged to Austria. What do you understand by the term ex officio? Its meaning is in virtue of one's office. Who authored the book The History of God, that is by Karen Armstrong? The ASEAN was established in 9 August 1947. Greenwich, a city of London, is famous for calculating the time for all the countries. George Washington was succeeded by John Adams. When did Pakistan first expedition land on Antarctica? On 15 January 1991. Which religious scholar tried to eradicate different innovation from the religion, that is Haji Sharaitullah? First edition of Asar-us-Sanadid appeared in 1846. Headquarters of World Economic Forum is situated in Davos. Which party won the election of October 1990 by Islami Jamhuri Ittihad? The government of Benazir Bhutto was dismissed for second time on 5 November 1996 by Farooq Ahmad Lighari. What do you understand by the term ultra-wires? Its mean beyond one's authority. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan did his PhD from the Leuven University of Belgium. Mossad is the secret agency of Israel. The duration of one half of hockey match is 35 minutes. Name the city which is the seat of UNO International Court of Justice, that is Hague. East India Company occupied Punjab in 1849. Who wrote the book The Great Tragedy by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto? Nadir Shah invaded India during the reign of Muhammad Shah. The Mughal emperor who died to sudden fall from the staircase, that is Humayun. The coin rupiah was first established by Sher Shah Suri. Afghanistan gained its independence in 1921 under the leadership of Amanullah. Atmosphere pressure at sea level is 760 mm. Which country award the Nobel Prizes except the Peace Prize, that is Sweden? Which of the following states separate Malaysia from Singapore, that is Johor Strait? The Winter Olympic Games came into being in 1924. Sandak project is producing copper, silver and gold with the help of China. Of the following are the biggest deposit of coal in Pakistan? Thar coal deposit. Who compiled the first English dictionary, that is Samuel Johnson? Famous poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is written by Jan Tyler. M16 is the secret agency of Britannia. Which cane day is observed on every year, that is 7th October. Central Asia became the part of Muslim Empire during the reign of Walid I. Monsoon season in Pakistan started in July and ended in September. The cockpit of Europe, which country? That is Belgium. Headquarters of United Nations Fund for Population Activities, that is established in 1967, is located in New York. The foreign phrase aqua pura, its meaning is water. World Environmental Day is observed on 5th June. Synagogue is a place of worship of which religion? For Judaism. 15th Conference of NAM was held in March 2008 in Sharm Sheikh in Egypt. The Chashma nuclear plant was built with the help of China. Next one, Khaliji dynasty was founded in India in 1290. Pablo Picasso was a Spanish painter. According to Kabina mission plan, in which group Punjab and Sindh were included? That is second. Where is the headquarters of Amnesty International? That is in London. When Commonwealth was established? That is in 1931. Kingdom of Khwarizm was destroyed in 1218 to 1220 Iswi by Genghis Khan. Who was the first woman to climb Everest? She is Junko Taibi. Shimla Conference started on 24th June 1945. After the War of Independence, the British government assumed control of India through Queen Prolongation of 1857. In 1858, the person who was appointed the first British Viceroy, that is Lord Canning. When was Mao College, Aligarh is established? That is in 1877. Who prepared the Pirpur report? By Raja Sayyid Mehdi. On 30 December, All India Muslim League was established in the city of Dhaka. What day is observed internationally on 5th October? That is the Teacher Day. The Earth's smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. During the period of 1 June, the first governor of West Pakistan was Mushtaq Ahmad Gurmani. Who presented the Chenab formula to resolve the Kashmir dispute? Sardar Abdul Qayyum Khan. Pakistan's Standard Time was suggested by Professor Muhammad Anwar. Atak Fort was constructed by Akbar. Which country's flag known as Union Jack? The flag of England. What type of acid is used in car batteries? That is H2SO4, the sulfuric acid. By which organ does the snake hear? That is by internal ear. The most populous Islamic country of the world is Indonesia. Arab League was established in March 1945 with the headquarters of Cairo. When was IMF established? In 1945. OPEC has its headquarters in Vienna. The first Republican president of America was Abraham Lincoln. Emirates is an airline of UAE. 1 square foot is equal to 144 square inches and 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. How many bones are there in human body? 206. The distant objects can be seen with the help of telescope. The best color for sun umbrella will be white from the top and black on the inside. The total area of Azad Kashmir is 13,297 square kilometer. Who was the first governor of Punjab from August 1947 to August 1949? Is Sir Francis Modi. The Magna Carta was signed by King John on 15th June 1215. Thomas Cup is given in the game of badminton. Pentagon is defense head office of USA. Mohammedan Educational Conference was established by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1886. Turkey was called the sick man of Europe. 1 horsepower is equal to 246 watts. The Kabina mission announced its plan on 16th May 1946. From Plassey to Pakistan is the political biography of Iskandar Mirza. World Environment Day is observed on 5th June. The name of Parliament of Bangladesh is Jatiya Sangsad. Who is the current Pakistan permanent envoy of UNO? Dr. Maliha Lodhi. China celebrates its National Day every year on 1st October. Grammy Smith was a cricketer of South Africa. Name the new book of Hillary Clinton released in 2014 is Hard Choices. In violation of India's Basin Treaty 1960, India constructed Vular Barrage on the river of Jhelum. Day of Deliverance was observed on 22 December 1939. The national flag of Pakistan was designed by Amiruddin Kidwai. When did the Pakistan government approve the national anthem? In 1944. Headquarters of NATO is located in Brussels. Who said The democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. By Abraham Lincoln. OIC was founded in 25th September 1969. What is the number of month Rajab in Islamic calendar? That is 7th. Hajj is not completed unless you go to Arafat. First Mujaddid was Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz, who was the second Ahmad Sirhindi. Next one, Amman is the capital of Jordan. The currency of Turkey is lira. To which country the news agency APP belong to? That is from Pakistan. World Bank headquarters is situated in Washington. United Nations officially came into existence on 24 October 1945. The 3rd June Plan announced the partition of subcontinent into 2 states. The oath of Governor General was administered to Quaid-e-Azam by Justice Abdul Rashid. What was the number of Muslim League ministers in the interim government of 1946? That is 5. The